Hello? My name is G. Let there be light. There are different types of cycles in the market. These cycles, in the order of importance and win rate, include planetary aspects, high-low cycles, planetary time cycles, and finally LOV cycles. Many traders who start reading Gann's books or astronomy books stop at the first stage, planetary aspects. We talked about this simple but effective strategy, and the trick to improve it in the previous video. A level above the planetary aspects is the use of high-low cycles, which, although based on the movement of the planets, have nothing to do with the aspects. This mathematical method is used by many advanced students in the field of astronomy. But planetary time cycles and LOV cycles are the two main methods and secret trading tools that Gann talks about extensively in the Tunnel Through the Air. In the previous video, we tried the strategy of planetary aspects using the two planets Saturn and Uranus on the market, and we observed that the aspects between these two planets in most cases cause the formation of large valleys and peaks in the market. In fact, although planetary aspects are cyclic in nature, they do not act like time cycles. However, we saw that of the 27 aspects between Saturn and Uranus over a 23-year period, 24 of them caused changes in the market trend, many of which included large valleys and peaks. Although statistically, the success rate of this strategy is more than 88%, but the performance of this trading strategy cannot be measured on the market because the use of aspects does not allow you to know how many days the change in the market trend will last. So, as a free strategy, using major planetary aspects is great, but aspects that occur between major planets may be limited to 2 or more aspects per year. So you can use aspects between smaller planets like Mars and Venus or other planets for your market, which leads to more aspects. You can also study planetary aspects in heliocentric mode. But the problem will still be there, and you don't know how many days the trend change will last. If you want to go beyond the aspects and look for real cycles in the market, this video is for you. There is a special type of planetary cycles called high-low cycles, which, although not as secretive as time cycles and LOV cycles, are very useful. You can find different high-low cycles for different markets and trade with them. In this video, we want to check the success rate of high-low cycles on Forex market. What you see on the chart are high-low cycle with a fixed step of 0.21 tested on USD CAD. First, you need to know that high-low cycles have nothing to do with planetary time cycles like Radium Ray, Lone Aviator, and 6 COR cycles including the Saint Marie, Marie the Angel of Mercy, Tokyo J1. These high-low cycles are obtained from completely different kind of calculation that based on fixed planetary time steps. You don't need any astronomy software to calculate the cycles of high-low. A simple calculation on an Excel file will allow you to discover a $24,000 strategy. What you see in this Excel file is a high-low cycle with a fixed time step of 0.21. The dates shown in green color simply means the tops in the market, and the red color represents the bottom in the market. We simply start from a peak and start to forecast other valleys and peaks in the market in 0.21 planetary steps. As you can see, the pivots are about 10 days apart. The actual market turning point can occur 2 days on either side of the date obtained from the 0.21 cycle. Pause the video and note these dates as we are going to test the win rate of this cycle on the USD CAD Forex pair. We want to start testing this high-low cycle on the USD CAD from the historical peak of March 24, 2020. The dashed lines mean that inversion will occur, and we assume that we do not know in advance when inversion will occur. Without further ado, let's start testing this $24,000 strategy. If you are a trader, you know that finding a strategy with a win rate of 80% means finding a treasure, and if this strategy does not surprise you, what price action or indicator-based strategy do you know that can achieve a win rate above 80% in the long term? If you watched the channel's previous videos, you might be able to discover this $24,000 strategy. Dream lofty dreams, and as you dream, so shall you become. Your vision is the promise of what you shall one day be. Your ideal is the prophecy of what you shall at last unveil. Thank you for bearing with me and watching the video. My name is G, and if you have any questions about the Gann's course, you may contact me via email.